not make slides like this. This slides doesn't have any formatting nor any transitions. This type of slides are usually boring and outdated. Instead, you can make slides like this. So in this video, we are gonna see how to make this type of slides using morph transitions and some basic skills. So to learn how to make this type of presentation, prefer watching this video till the end. So welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips, and without wasting time, let's get into the video. Now first of all, let us change the background and set as gradient fill. So currently we have a solid fill with no fill. So let us take a gradient fill where you can choose whatever uh, color you want according to your presentation. So let me choose yellow at the top and white at the background, white at the bottom of this gradient. And now let us have a text box where we can have our title. And let me choose the font color as white. Let me make it a bigger. And let us choose this font. So first of all, let us convert this text box into an object. So what we have to do is we have to insert a square object around this text box, and we have to select no outline and no shape fill. Now first select the text box and the rectangle or the square which we have made, and go to format shape and choose intersect over here. So now this text box has been converted to an object class. So our title is done. So now it's time for Eiffel Tower to come in this slide. So you can insert any of the photo you want, but make sure to add in PNG format where there is no background. So you can find the image in PNG format without background on the internet. So meanwhile, for the time being, let me copy the Eiffel Tower from the slides which I have made already. So here you can see that there is no background, just the image what we want. And let me put it over here. And in similar way, you can make another slides also. So let me just click over here on the first slide and press Ctrl D to duplicate this slide. Let me just delete this uh, objects, and we have another. So for the purpose of this video, let me just have these two objects, Eiffel Tower and Statue of Unity, in my slide and explain it. Now let us work on this slide. So in the first slide, I want this Eiffel Tower only and the title. So let me just duplicate this slide, and in the first slide, let me just drag this out of this slide view, and this one also let me make it as smaller and bring it down over here or somewhere around here. And in the next slide, I'll keep this object in the place wherever I want. So I want this Eiffel Tower to be big, and this one over here. Perfect. And in the next slide, I want the details of the Eiffel Tower or about the Eiffel Tower. So I'll press Ctrl D. I'll move this Eiffel Tower to the right side, making a bit smaller, and this title as on the left side and making it somewhat adjustable size. And now let me just copy the text box of about the title and paste it on our working slide. Now you can choose the font size or font style according to your convenience. So I have taken here the hand extra black font style and 28 as font size. Choosing the font color to be light brown as it is matching with the background as well as the Eiffel Tower. So now let's look what has happened in our presentation. Or I just forgot the key feature. So let me just select 1, 2, and 3, slide number 3, or you can choose all of your slides and go to transition and apply morph transition. And now let's look what we had done till now. So this is the first slide where we have kept as empty. The second slide, the Eiffel Tower and the title. The Eiffel Tower will move to right of this slide, and now we have the details of the Eiffel Tower. Further, let's move to the next slide, the Statue of Liberty. So after this, I want the Statue of Liberty to be seen, but not in this manner straight away. So let me just duplicate this slide, slide number 3, and remove the details of the Eiffel Tower. Let me move this Eiffel Tower heading to the right hand side, and let me just make this Eiffel Tower a bit smaller and move this downwards. And let us just insert. So before this, we have to add these two objects, and let us have this object a bit apart from this view of the slide, and let us make it a smaller. And in this one, let us have the same set of objects, the photo of Statue of Liberty and the text box in this manner. And now in this fifth number of slide, let us have this Statue of Liberty a bit smaller and in the right side, and the text or the heading on the left hand side, and the details. Perfect. And in this all, we'll apply morph transition. So let us see now what has been done till now. So after this Eiffel Tower detail, the Eiffel Tower will move downward and Statue of Liberty will come up, and then after this transition, the Statue of Liberty will move to the right hand side and the details will come up. Perfect. So one important thing to keep in mind while using morph transition is that you need to have the same set of objects in both the in a common slide where you have to change the objects a bit. For example, here you want to change your object from Eiffel Tower to Statue of Liberty. So you need to have Statue of Liberty and related objects in the slide number 3 itself. And then in slide number 4, you need to also have this objects of slide number 3 to move away. So that is we kept it over here apart away from the working slide area. And in similar way, you can add as many slides as you want and make your presentation super awesome. If you like this video, please consider subscribing this channel and share it with your friends. Also, for more such videos, visit our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated. And now, as a part of this video, it's time for a quiz. And the question is, what do the icons in the image represents? And the options are theme colors, transitions, animations, and slide layouts. Comment down your answer in the below given comment box. Till then, goodbye.